Okay, hello, welcome back again to our video this morning on Chima Educator video channel. So in this video, I want to show you how to make your daily withdrawal from this mining going on SafePal mining. And the token we are using is USDC. If you watch our video yesterday, you will see it. So if you say you want more clarification, you want to be part of this, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. You can also watch the previous videos. So this is how the system works. You can start with minimum of $10 USDC. You can go higher as whatever you want. So, and each day, make sure you withdraw. Now, remember how this thing works. You connected your SafePal with the DApp that is mining. This is a mining DApp, and that's exactly what you're saying. So each day, just 24 hours after, do your best to make withdrawal and withdraw whatever the system has generated for you so that you keep on going on and on and on. So at this point, you're on the interface. So all you need to do, you're going to look down all these buttons down. The last one here that shows you your profile, just click on it. Click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to see something like this. You're going to see all of this. You're going to see all of this. So what you're seeing now, this is withdrawable. This one is started with 10 USDC. Now this is withdrawable. So all you need to do, you don't need to waste time. You click on mouse. Everything here has appeared to be withdrawn. So you click on withdraw. So this money will now be added to your what you have as balance in your SafePal, because that's where you can. So from SafePal, if you want to, remember SafePal is also a wallet, but if you want to pull it out from that SafePal, but make sure while you are pulling out, don't put the main your investment 10 USDC, because if you pull it out, you are no longer mining, because that's what is helping you to mine. You can always increase this if you want. So I click on this. Just watch. Draw. Submitted successfully. And definitely, so it has caught up because I withdraw everything. I say maximum, so it's still generating. Now, for those of us who may be asking question how it works, please, you can be a part of this by, you can see there are so many packages. It's a very simple whatever. A daily rebate for those of us who are operating from, let's say, from 1,000 plus is 3%. So if you put in 1,000 USDC, you'll be earning 30 USDC every single day. So let me give you the real package. Okay, so this is the real package. Level 1 is from $5 to $100. I know why I say $10. Don't go for $5. It won't make anything. But if you think that's what you have, no problem. $5 to $100 is under level 1. You understand? That's what it is. Then VIP 2 is 101 to 500. VIP 3 is 501 to 1,000 and all that. Just keep on seeing VIP. So you can see we even have up to 50,000. Okay, not of 500,001 and above. You can put that. So that is how the system works. So once you do, so it's a very simple system. Is the first thing you do is to connect the wallet. So if you want to join now, you're going to ask for the DApp link. You're going to see that DApp link in this video description. You can also request it from me on WhatsApp. So just click on it and connect. And before you do that, that means you already installed SafePal on your phone. So once you now click on that link, the system will ask you to connect to a wallet. You click on connect. You now choose SafePal because it's already installed. And then it's connected. Once it's connected, all you need to do again is to make sure you have USDC in your SafePal. You now put in USDC there. If you don't know how to do it, we can easily do it. We can help you. Just contact us. All you need to do is buy a coin, or even if you have USDT, you can convert it. And that USDC must be under Polygon network. So make sure you have all of these things. You must have Polygon network USDC, so that because they also charge fee of $0.5 of Polygon when you are doing this, when you are connecting it. So make sure there's a little money. You can always transfer or swap all of it. So if you have questions on this, just ask us. We will guide you. That's why we're here for you. So once you've done that, you put the amount you want, All you now need to do is to come here, you come back here and click on this start mining. Once you start mining, you check this mining price. You see it's running. If I check now, it's it. You're going to see something like this. It's running. Meaning that once you connect it, it's running. As long as it's running, from the following day, you begin to see. And like I said, any day, just make sure you withdraw back. Keep on withdrawing. Don't wait and say, I'm going to allow it. No, just be taking whatever it generates. Just keep on generating. As long as the main, your investment is still there. So that's how it was. So if you are interested, use the link on the video description. You can also reach out to me for every other help through my WhatsApp handle I'm going to drop. So please be part of this. Let's go. Thanks for watching.